Welcome to Mehl's Mountain Garage. If this is your first time here, I hope you liked the video. If you're returning, thanks for coming back. This video is going to be short and sweet, and this time around, I'm going to replace, or actually install, a motor mount, vibration isolator, insulator, goes by a bunch of different names, but on a club car. They are the same part number for 1998 and up, though your engine cradle may vary depending on the year. So follow along as I get it done. Here's our new motor mount. I purchased this off of eBay. I will put the OEM part number and some alternate part numbers in the description below. You can get this from varying different online sources, so search and get the best price. I am working on a 2002 Turf 2 carryall, so it is extended, as in the chassis is a little bit longer than your typical just regular passenger golf cart, but the mounts are all the same. And you can see right down in there, the end of my finger, there is no mount there. This deteriorated and it's long gone. I don't know what the hell happened to it, but it's definitely not there. There is a close-up of the metal mount. It appears to be two 9/16 nuts and bolts. Could be metric, but I think it's 9/16. So we'll remove those bolts, pull that bracket out, and put the isolator in. Well, I said earlier in the video they were 9/16 maybe, but they appear to be 1/2 inch, 13 millimeter. Well, these are lock nuts, so you are going to be wrenching them the entire way out. With our mount removed, that's it. Then we reinstall it. Beware of any wires and cables, like I have here, the ground, additional wires. Slide that mug in there. You may have to jack the engine up for the cradle. Fortunately, I don't have to. Vehicle is on a lift off the ground. You have to put the bolts in from the engine side. Don't mind me, I'm coming down with a cold. Snug them up. Mount is installed. It is that easy. I do have the vehicle on a lift, or the golf cart on a lift, I should say. So the weight was off of the mount. Made it easier for me to do. All right, well that wraps it up. That was easy. Anyone can do it with basic hand tools in your driveway. Oftentimes they rot away, you never even know. They're pretty inexpensive, and you can find them anywhere. Thanks for watching. Hit that like, hit the subscribe, leave me some comments. I'm really good at getting back. I appreciate it. Check out some of my other videos. I've got plenty of content on golf carts and lawnmowers and even big cars. So leave me some suggestions. I got plenty of golf carts, man. I can make more videos. So until next time, thanks for checking out Mehl's Mountain Garage. See ya.